So we got this Barbie car. I've been trying to sell this car for about 2 to 3 weeks now. She's about 1.5 years old, and I only wanted about $125 for her. Nobody seems to want it. So she's been sitting out here getting dirty. Wind's been blowing all over. Leaves been falling all inside of her. So there's no damage to her, but she's been kind of getting weathered a little bit. That's what we're getting ready to do, since most of my viewers only seem to watch about 3 to 5 minutes of my videos. I'm gonna show you what we're getting ready to do with this car. All products from Walmart. I'm gonna use about $15 more at Walmart. Up the ante on this car, see if we can get something out of it. Next thing we're about to do is just open up this garage so I can blow all this trash out, wash her up real quick, and then I'm gonna get y'all out of here in about 2 minutes. Just stay with me real quick, because I'm gonna show y'all what you can do with a Barbie car. As we're doing this whole project right here with all Walmart products, we got the monster LED lights right here, and this little slim battery pack that you can get pretty much at any checkout at Walmart. This right here costs $5.99. These right here were $9.99. So we're gonna throw those two on there, that battery pack. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with it. So as I said before, this is gonna be a quick video. This battery pack is nothing special to unboxing it. All you're gonna get is a battery pack, cable, and instructions. You're gonna plug it up into the wall. There's gonna be some numbers on it. And it's gonna show you how much it's charged, pretty much. Pretty much, this is it right here. You'll see this says 77%. It's gonna keep going up till it hits 99%, and it's gonna stop once you get to 99%. The reason why I did decide to use this one is, if you notice right there on the top, she has 2 USB plugs, so I have 2 LED lights I'm gonna be hooking up to this little Barbie car, so that's why I went with this model right here. Pretty basic, charger, plug, throw her in there. You see those numbers pop up, and that's where it's at. So now let's go back outside. Not much, just a little extra additive right there to the lights. Walking around at night, got your daughter with you. Put on some little LED lights, go walking in the park. Go hit the streets at night. Nothing special. Nothing special. Just something extra because I'm bored. That's what I do. Give me some time, give me some lights, give me something that moves, and everything moves with lights over here. Quick project. Just wanted to show that one to you. Maybe now we can get this thing sold, get her gone. Little quick light up show. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Everything with lights around here. If I gotta ride like that, she gotta ride like that too. It's all good. It's the boldest thing I've ever seen right here. So before I got to make the video that I couldn't sell her, the Walmart Barbie car, it's a wrap.